Hey everybody, Nathan here with SouthernIndianaMortgage.com, and I wanted to speak just for a minute about what you should do if you have bad credit or low credit scores on your credit report. Now, I want to give you an idea. A lot of different banks out there will not do a loan if your credit scores are under a 680. Others won't do a loan if your scores are under a 660, and on down the line. But one thing that we offer is we can do FHA loans down to a 580 credit score. Now, 580 is definitely the minimum score of what we do, and FHA will go just a little bit lower than that technically, but it's hard to find a bank or a lender that will actually do that type of loan. But if your scores are on the lower end of the scale, if you're close to a 580, but you haven't had any luck getting pre-qualified, I wanted to let you know of two different things that are important, that may come into play that we may be able to help with to be able to get you pre-qualified. So the first one is obviously income. The more income that you have compared to debt that you have, the better off you're going to be. The better your chances will be of being able to get a home loan with a low credit score. So that's very important. Obviously, job is important, income compared to your debt. So that's the first thing. That's one thing we can help you look at, is to analyze what your debt ratio is, and then let you know if that's something that is workable. But secondly, and most importantly, is if your credit scores are low in the 580 range, 590, 600, 610, you're probably going to need a down payment of about 3.5%. But most importantly is, if you have some assets to offset the low credit score, that may help you qualify for basically an FHA loan and a regular underwrite that FHA allows. Now, good assets could mean a couple different things. It could mean that you've been saving, you've got some money in the bank, to basically show the underwriter that, hey, my credit scores are low, but if I get into a pinch credit-wise, I've got extra money here to make my payments later. The underwriter wants to make sure that you can make your payment. But the other thing is, one thing we've been real successful with is showing that a borrower has a good 401k. So, for example, if you've been on your job for a few years and you've got a 401k or some retirement plan that has some assets in it, it may be possible for you to qualify for a home loan without even touching that and taking any of that money out of your account, but simply showing that you have those funds in there. From an underwriting standpoint, FHA loves to see that you have assets in the bank, assets in your retirement, when you have a situation of having low credit scores. So if you have a good 401k, definitely check with us to see if we can get you qualified for a loan. It doesn't take us very long to run you through the system, and if we can see that you've got a 401k with $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 in it, it may be something that we can get you qualified for. So click on the link below this video, do our short application. We'll reach out to you and let you know if that's something that we can help you with, and then we can go from there and hopefully get you pre-approved for a home. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.